Hey, good morning, Right Line Trading. Hope everyone had a nice holiday Christmas weekend. This broadcast is for demonstration educational purposes only. It's important to know that I'm not a licensed financial advisor, not offering any type of trading advice here today. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. All right. Sorry, we're a few minutes late this morning. It is Monday, December 29th. If you're joining us today, that's the good news. Hallelujah. Any day above ground is a blessed day, a good day to be alive. Well, yesterday was just an absolutely beautiful day. Down here in South Florida. We got a beautiful leaderboard here. My leapfrog on the NQ30 range is up $2,200. Incredible. The 20U Mac truck up $2,000. Best spot, $2,000. I just now came in and I enabled, look at this power play. It's in a 300, listen, this bot is risking $120 on these entries, and it's got a $350 winner right now. That's a 3-to-1 risk to reward on the micros. This is the type of price action that we're looking for, right? Big pop to the upside. A $500 micro trade on the power play. So we've got a beautiful diversity of not only instruments, but time frames that we trade them on. We're trading the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, crude oil, gold, the Dow. Look at this move up. Can you believe it? An $800 trade on a micro. Let's see if we can get it. We just enabled our copier. That was a big move up. Sometimes price will go sideways a little bit. You know what? Let's take a look at that ES8U as well. It's just breaking through the 50. Let's see if we can get in another move long. So we were going over the leaderboard. And the 30 range, the NASDAQ 30 ranges, you could see 1, the micro, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of the top 10 are running on that 30 range NASDAQ. Row, congratulations. Row's up 650 on the NASDAQ. Beautiful. I pulled up and I did a report of the top bots for the month of December. And I think it's interesting to see which ones perform the best for the entire month. For the entire month of December, number 1, numero uno, the NQ20U Mac truck, just under $7,000, trading one contract on that Mac truck, the 20 Unorenco. Number 2, numero dos. Here in Miami, you have to, say everything in English and Spanish. Number 2 is the 150 range, NASDAQ. The RJ. Here we go. We're in this trade. Let's see if we can get some follow through to the upside. Come on, don't peter out on us. Come on up. Let's take another leg. We got some sideways action here. Come on up. What I really wanted to do is to, first of all, my stop will take all the risk off if the trade matures towards my profit target. That's really what the first step that I want in this trade management strategy. The second step is the leapfrog, right? We got an area of consolidation here after that big move up. Little further. And we could get that stop to move up for us. Come on up. Oh, we got an exit on the line change on that one. Big burst of volatility. Let's take a quick look at the Forex Factory. Today is Monday, December 29th at 10 a.m. Pending home sales is an orange folder. It's 9:40, 9:41 Eastern Time. 10:30, we have crude oil inventories this week coming out on Monday. 12 o'clock, natural gas storage. Okay, it jumped right back in long. We're not in this move, unfortunately. Let me see. We're going to put on the power play and the Mack truck. And we're going to go for a long move here. I got two evals. As you know, Apex is running a 90% sale. We could be a little more aggressive. What a leaderboard, huh? Which Mack truck? The 20U Mack truck drone. The MNQ 20U Signal C Mack truck drone. RJ is the Tony C. RJ is the 150 range. RJ is the 150 range. You know what? Let's hold off for just a minute here. Hold on. Hold the phone. We're getting a retracement, which we really needed because the market was really overextended. This could be a nice short play for that ES8U. Power play went right back in long. We got 30, just over 3,000 contracts a minute in volume on the Nasdaq, the MNQ. We're getting a nice retracement. Over in pre-market, we were getting some nice moves to the downside on the Nasdaq. Let's give it a run on the short. Here we go. We're in on the Mac truck. Let's get some follow through the downside. Okay, we're in on the power play. We're in two shorts on the Nasdaq. Come on, push down through there. Don't bounce on me. Come on down. Let's give this thing a little bit of room to work with. The 20U's bouncing right off that 50. That's not a good thing in this circumstance here. Come on down. Row's up 1,000. Great job, Row. I need that 20U to break through to the short side. Break below the 50 is what I'm referring to. It's bouncing off that 50. That 50 always acts as a really good area of support. Really strong area, I should say. Not necessarily good in this circumstance, but a strong area of support. Let's see if we can get it to go. Come on. Come on down. Right on down to support. All right, all the risk is off. Not much wiggle room here. Power plays back in short. Come on down. Push lower. No, I haven't back tested it, Rao. Which spot are you referring to, just so I'm clear? Did you share it just recently? Which spot? Oh, no good. Let's try one more. Maybe we get the pop back to the upside. On the okay, on the Ichimoku cloud. I'll check it out today. Thanks, Rao. Wow, look at this 30 range leapfrog. It's crushing it. We might have to pivot to that bot. It's up $3,700. I'm going to reset it. Let's find that leapfrog drone, reset it. What I mean by reset it is disable it and re-enable it. Mack Truck just went short again. Power play's about to go short again. Come on, let's get one to the downside. Come on, follow through now. Give me some follow through. Push down. Come on down. Come on down. You're the next contestant. Push on down. Push down. Give me one leapfrog. Ah, got me on the power play. No follow through, no follow through. I'll check it out though, Rao. I'm tempted to go to that NASDAQ leapfrog. Let's take a look at it. Look at this thing, 37.50. Let's see if we can get one on the leapfrog here. It's up $3,750. Sniper, the 20U Sniper is in. Got some bots that are doing really well today. This leapfrog could take off long. Signal A short. Come on, let's get some follow through the downside. Come on down. Ah, push down. Come on down. Come on down. Little further. Ah. Oh no. Giving me some heat. We got a report coming out at 10 o'clock. Which one was it? Pending home sales at 10 a.m. Got ourselves in a nail biter. Things going sideways on us. These things like to pop out one way or the other. Hopefully it's to the downside. Come on, break down. Break down. Let's go. Push down. Let's go. Come on down. Come on down. Get in my window. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Leapfrog it. There you go. Push down. One more time. Push down. Come on. A little further. All right, let's let this report come out. It's coming out in 1 minute. We got an orange folder report. Price action is not as nice as it was a little earlier. Tony C., the NQ30R Well, it's about to kick in. You see when those orange triangles come, that's a signal B. That means my RSI line is pinned to the bottom of my Laguerre oscillator. One more down close, that's going to be a short entry. In the Discord chat, I did a video on the triggers. Highly recommend watching that video. I love this short entry. We got the news report coming out right now at 10 o'clock. It's an orange folder report. This leapfrog is doing extremely well today. It's up just about $4,000. The ES is nowhere to be found. All of my entire leaderboard is the NASDAQ. I'm looking for one more entry on this leapfrog. Looks like it's going to take off long. Yeah. Jumped in short. Look at this thing. This leapfrog, let me tell you that we always mention one of the bots finding the ebb and flow. This is a perfect example of a bot that's found the ebb and flow of the trading environment. It anticipated that short roll. I mean, absolutely perfect. It's trading right into support. Man, what an entry that was. Picture perfect. This thing is coming down. It didn't kick in? Are you trading? It could be a few different things. I just froze up. Shoot. Excuse me, I'm going to have to restart. This thing is driving me nuts with this. Wow. This trade here was a beauty. Let's get her cranked back up. Holy moly. Man, I thought that thing took off. Oh, man. Let's go for a leapfrog short. Let's see if we can get into this trade. We got some room to right down to support. My signal B entry. With a down close, we should be in short. That 20U breaks support. This thing could be off to the races. That's the ES, actually. Wow, that MNQ power play is on fire. See if we can get in. Looking for an entry on the leapfrog. That's right here. The NQ leapfrog. Here it is. It's up $4,300. Come on, let's get one. Come on down. Here comes a short entry. Something just got in. The NQ leapfrog. Oh, jeez. Come on down. Come on down. Come on. Push down. Ah. Darn. Almost got back to break even on that trade. Yeah, Mike, there is. It's a really great video. It's in the Discord chat. Let me show it to you. And it's on the triggers. Man, you got to know the triggers. Training videos. If you go in the training videos channel, it's the trigger workshop from November 13th. We go over the triggers. Trying to get another short entry. Watch for that ES to break through. I'm going to enable the ES on the leapfrog. It's down 700. But it looks like the market is finding a direction. We need a break of support. I'm looking to get into this NQ30 or the ES8U on a short move. We need a break of support. If we break support, we've got some running room to the downside here. Looks like it might have double bottomed right here. Let's see if we break through. We're getting a retest of this area of support. You X'd out on the NQ30 leapfrog. It's showing as total P&L and not realized. I think, Tony, I think that's just one of the properties. If you right click on your NinjaTrader 8 control center and you go to properties, you could check off the box and for realized, and you'll see how much realized gains you have for realized P&L. You could just select that one. You X'd out on the leapfrog on your trade card. So you want it to show on your copier? Is that what you want it to show up? Bounced off support. Gotcha. If you give me a call after the live stream, I'll help you out. Here comes a signal A. If this drops down to the shorts, if this rolls off the 50 and continues down, my RSI line is pinned to the top now. My leapfrog is enabled. All right, Gerald. 2 for 5's not bad. Maybe we get a push to the upside here. This leapfrog is getting ready to take off. Here we go. Oh, I thought it was going to pop in. Let me make sure I'm enabled. Oh yeah, it's enabled. Really nice leaderboard. Getting ready to take a long entry on this NQ30. Look like we double bottomed on that ES. I don't want to talk too soon. Boy, that RJ bot and drone are doing extremely well. That Mack truck drone just came up to the top of my leaderboard, but that 20U Mack truck, the 150 range RJ on the NASDAQ, you could see I ran a report for December. Number 1 and 2, Mack truck and RJ, and you look at the leaderboard, and you've got the Mack truck up $2,000, and you've got RJ up 1,000. The drone 828, the bot 1,000. My NQ best bot on the leaderboard. Smart Velocity, the 30 range. Things are slowing down. We need an entry. Coming up right behind me is professional options trader David Wise. Price action has gone sideways on us here. We got another holiday shortened week with New Year's. Here we go. Come on, let's see if we can get in long. Here we go. We're in long. We need some follow through now to the upside. Go ahead up. Push up. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Push up a little further. Ah. Ah. I think I smothered the trade. I did. It's right back in. Get up there. Get in my window. Get in my window. I'm going to squeeze it. Come on, leapfrog one time for me. Push up. Come on. Leapfrog up. Wow, great job, Rao. Great job, man. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, I got my own way on this. $460. I'm watching the volume here. 500. Oh, come on. Come on, one more push up. 1100. Come on up. I'm just going to stop right there. I sabotaged my own trading today terribly with dragging my stops, not giving these trades room. Left to my own devices, I can mess up a beautiful trade. I was in this long move 3 times and squeezed it 3 times. This leapfrog traded really great today. All I had to do is just get out of its way. It ran up the score like it was nobody's business. $4,700 in profits. I was down 300-400, came back, and I'm up about 250. That's a good question, MC. I don't know. To be honest with you, I'd let them run 24 as much as possible, and they're always in tune with the current market. If I know I work here, though, if I was running it at my own house and I didn't work here, I would probably only run it during the hours that I knew I was going to trade. If I know I'm not going to trade in the overnight session or the London Open, then why would I run it through there? I guess it would train it, yes, but in the AI model, I don't want to get too complicated into it, but if I go to the strategies, just to show you what I'm talking about. Look at this. Another leapfrog going straight up. Now it hits the leapfrog. Man, all I had to do was let the thing run. What I'm talking about is on the AI model, we can have it just optimize stops and targets. We can have it optimize stops and targets and your trading hours, or all of them. When you select signal, it's going to optimize the trigger, the stops and targets, and the trading hours. Okay? So if you did run it through the overnight session, you can have it only optimize your stops and targets, or all of them. It's up to you. Here's the one-day pass on the E-mini. Let's take a look at this trade. We have bots that are customized to pass evals in one trade. Now, Gerald lost a few of them today. Here's an example of one that's in a trade right now. It's on this ES. The bots did very well today. Very well. Trading one contract, the NQ30 Leapfrog was up $5,000. $5,000 in one trading session. And I watched it go right to the top of the leaderboard, and I switched it on my account, and again I wanted to get in its own way and sabotage the results. The 20U Mac truck, the NQ Best Bot, the Power Play, the RJ, the 150 RJ, the 20 Unarenko. These are bots that are consistently on the leaderboard. The Sim 101 is my micro gold. I have a bot trading gold. It's up 570 trading micros. Incredible. Gold is moving really nice. I saw that pre-market. Let's see what type of volume we're getting on gold. Wow, big volume on gold. Gold is just under 1,000 contracts a minute. Big volume on gold. Let's see if we can get into a short on gold. Let's watch one trade. Back in on the leapfrog. This is the bot that's up $5,000 on the top right. Man, if I had just left that thing alone, I'm still kicking myself in the you know what. Wow, gold is up 725. It's amazing. Nice, Rao. Rao, you're having a huge day. Congratulations. Great trading. Okay, last trade. We got some great New Year's discounted offers on our website. If you haven't come aboard yet and you're on the fence, now's the time. On our website, you'll find 50% off annual memberships, 60% off lifetime memberships. Gold's in short. We're risking very little on these entries on gold. It looked like about $80 we're risking. We're risking $80 a trade, and it's up 640. That's huge. This leapfrog can do no wrong today. Look at this leapfrog. It came right down to the stop, kissed the stop, and went straight up, and is headed right for my profit target. Here comes the leapfrog. On your way out the door, if you would, please like my video here on YouTube. Please don't forget me. A lot of prop firms having big sales right now. Apex, Buellknox, Prop Shop, all at 90% off. Let's see if this trade will get in our profit window. We got a holiday shortened week. Our schedule is going to be very similar to last week's. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's see. Let's look at the stock exchange holiday schedule. New Year's Eve, trading is open. New Year's Eve trading is open for the full day. New Year's Day, all stock markets are closed. That's Thursday. The jury's still out on Friday. Let's see how it goes. Let me discuss it. Let me talk to the team and see what we're going to do for Friday. All right, everybody. Thank you for joining me. Please don't forget me on the way out the door. This is the last trade. The bots performed extremely well. couldn't have asked for a better day. Even though it's a shortened week, we could have piggybacked a number of different bots and done well today. I made it look a lot harder than it was, believe me. Does this mean all of our bots are profitable? No. If I scroll to the bottom, these are the ones that performed poorly, that were not in the green. These were the losers today. The 1 day passes on gold and the E-mini. And a few of our bots didn't do well. But the vast majority did extremely well. So it's a good trading day for a holiday shortened week. I hope everybody has a great rest of your day. It's Monday. The good news, it's a short week. And we got a brand new year. Coming in the door. Good morning, Vincent. Yes, you can. Have a great day, everybody. Don't forget, please like my video here on YouTube. Boy, it's tempting to try to catch this short roll. I'm not going to turn the winning day into a loser, though. But I like that entry. Coming right down to support. Volume is a little low, though. Volume is waning early. David Wise is going to be coming up right behind me. Here it comes, too. There it goes. Let's see what would have happened. Love that entry. Now this bot could break this. I'm sitting here watching it. It could break the record, the daily record. I love that entry from the start. This bot is up over $5,000 in the current trading session. Let's see if it gets into the leapfrog. A little bit further. There it goes. Leapfrog. This could be a monster. Here it goes. Southbound. $5,100. $5,100. Another one. Bam. Back it up. Double down. Double dipper. Man, was that an entry or what? Was that a short entry? What a beauty. Let's see if it gets into our leapfrog. This could be another juicy. A juicy Lucy. Here we go. There's the leapfrog. 53.50. Let's see if we break through support. The E-mini's going to triple bottom down here. Retest support. Incredible day. The Mack truck is still in. $800. And the best spot, if you could see, is tracking the Mack truck. So if I put in our NQ best spot, you can see our best spot has the same exact trade as the Mack truck. We refer to that best bot as our bionic bot. And that's the bot that's piggybacking the most profitable NQ bot over the last 2 entries. The last 2 entries. Which one made the most money? And a couple of other factors. So right now it's stuck on the Mack truck. By just picking the NQ best bot and letting this system do its work, trading one contract brought home just under $2,800 after commissions. All right, everybody, have a great rest of your day. God willing, we're going to be back tomorrow, same time, same place. Personally, I was up just under 400, just right at 486 across 2 Apex evals. So it was a green day, but listen, I got to leave that stop alone, man. It's a bad habit. Have a great day, everybody. We'll be back tomorrow. Thanks for joining us. Hope you had a Merry Christmas. We'll see you tomorrow, everyone. So long.